Good morning, students. This is your revision class, mainly regional geography of India. From this lesson, in your unit test, the marks will be 25 marks. Okay, and Japan carries 25 marks. So total marks will be 50. Okay. Regional geography of India. This chapter will carry 25 marks. You remember it. In this class, I will give you some important questions and discuss important points. Okay? You know, India is a country which has lots of diversities. What are those diversities? They have three different ways. First, we can say physical diversities. In physical diversities, those things will come which are God gifted, that is, which are natural, such as vegetation type, hills, mountain, plain, plateau, climate, and different types of natural resources. Okay? India is a vast country, therefore lots of different types of climate is found in different regions, and due to climatic variation, different types of vegetation cover in different regions, such as evergreen forest in northeast India, Tarai zone of Himalaya and Western Ghat mountain. Thorny type of vegetation is found mainly in the desert and semi-desert region, and most of Indian part is covered by deciduous forest, which we know as monsoonal forest, isn't it? And you see, there are lots of plain, plateaus, mountains are present in our country. There are some new fold mountain like Himalayas and some old fold mountain like Vindhya, Satpura, Mahadev, Mahakal, Aravalli, Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat, this way. India is a country which has lots of different types of landforms found in it. All the natural conditions, all the natural landforms are found in our country. Therefore, it is somewhat different than the other countries of the world. Therefore, it is called the country which has lots of diversities. Okay. Next important factor is that socio-cultural factor. Mainly two factors here. One is physical factor and other is socio-cultural factor. In socio-cultural factor, we know that it is the 7th largest country and one of the largest democratic nation of the world. Okay. So here in India, lots of three different types of racial groups are present: Caucasian, Mongolian, and Negroid. Caucasian people are found generally in the northern and northwestern part of India. Negroid type of people are mainly found in South India, and Mongolian people are generally found in northeast India. And here lots of ethnic groups of people are found, such as in case of Assam, you know, Naga, Ahom, Kos, Kasari, Tiwa, Rabha, Missing, Boru, all such type of lots of ethnic groups of people are living in our country in different states. So India is a very colorful country with different racial group. Each and every racial group have different types of languages, food habit, dress habit, housing type, agricultural method, all are different generally. So this ethnic group of people makes our country a very colorful country. Okay. On the other hand, you see now from the very ancient period of time, there are some ancient civilization where flourished over Indus River Valley, and after that Indus River Valley, one kind of civilization is also found near Ganga River Valley region, where originated our Mahabharata and Ramayana epics related to these epics. So very ancient period of time, India is culturally very advanced, and you know that lots of different religions like Hinduism, Buddhist, Jain, Sikh, this type of religions were originated over our country. So this way we can say that India is a country which has lots of diversities. Okay, you know the boundary in the north, what are those, in the south, what are those, you should know it, and extension of latitude and longitude, which are very important of our country. Okay, now go to the physiography. Physical divisions of India based on landform, different types of landform. Indian physiography can be divided into different types. Yes or not? Such as northern mountainous region, northern Himalayas or northern mountainous region, northern plains, or you can say northern river valley region, Deccan Plateau, coastal region, and islands of India. These are the different physical divisions which we can divide it. And this each and every physical divisions have very important for your exam. Okay, and on the other hand, there are difference between North Indian River and South Indian River. It is given in your book in pointed, different points are given in your book. These are also very important for your exam, such as you see now, North Indian rivers are new river, South Indian rivers are old. Why it is old and why it is new, I have already told in your classes. Okay, North Indian rivers are perennial, South Indian rivers are not perennial. North Indian rivers are navigable throughout the year, South Indian rivers are not navigable throughout the year. They can navigable only in rainy seasons. Okay, North Indian rivers are originated from different glaciers which are coming out from the Himalayas mountain, and South Indian rivers, the rivers of Deccan Plateau, originated from highland regions due to high rainfall over the region. Okay, so these are the differences between North Indian rivers and South Indian rivers. And here the Himalayas mountainous region of North India is very important physical division. Okay, how does the Himalayas mountain was originated from the Tethys Sea, in which period, what is the length and breadth of this Himalayas mountain, what are the subdivisions of Himalayas mountain, Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, Outer Himalaya, this way, and Northeastern Himalayas. So this way different subdivisions are found in the Himalayas mountain. Okay, so these subdivisions also very important for your exam. Next is the northern plain. Northern plain is created by Brahmaputra, Ganga and Indus River, but Indus River is not in India, it is in Pakistan. But there are more 5 important tributaries which are found in our northwestern states like Punjab, Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so the river basin of Indus River is found in our country. So this plain region which is created by Indus River also found in our country. Therefore, there are 3 more important rivers found in the northern plain, which are Indus River, Ganga River and Brahmaputra River. Okay. What is the length, breadth, area of this northern plain region? You should have to remember it. And next, there are some subdivisions like Western Plain, Punjab Haryana Plain, Ganga Plain, North Bengal Plain, Brahmaputra Plain. There are so 5 subdivisions found in this northern plain region. Okay. Northern plain region is one of the developed region of our country because the region is full of fertile soil of river valley alluvium soil, which are very suitable for different types of crops cultivation. Due to high production of crops, the region is very famous from the very ancient period of time, and therefore population density over the region is very high. You know, the ancient civilization, Indus Valley civilization and Ganga Valley civilization also flourish over this region. That means from the very ancient period of time, the region has very high population density. Okay. Due to plain condition of this region, the living style, living process of human being is very easy over this region. The transport and communication system is very well developed. It may be railway communication, road communication, water communication, air communication, all communication systems are well developed over this region. And because of high production of crops over the region, lots of different types of agro-based industries are established over this region. Okay, this way socio-economically the region is one of the important region of India. Next is Deccan Plateau region. Deccan Plateau region is also known as Southern Peninsula region of India. Okay, its area, length, breadth, height, all you should have to know. And this Deccan Plateau region is the oldest physical division of India because it was formed in the Precambrian period. It is a part of Gondwana land. Okay. Lots of different types of plateaus are found there over this region, like Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Chotanagpur Plateau, Karnataka Plateau. This type of plateaus are found over this region, and lots of all around, all 3 sides, north, east, west, all these 3 sides are covered by hills and mountains. Okay. And north in the south river of Deccan Plateau, plateau are Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Baiga, Penna, all these are South Indian rivers. The highest mountain of the South Indian river is Western Ghat Mountain, which is located in the western coastal region of India, and highest peak of the region is located in Kerala, which is known as Anaimudi. Okay. So this is about your Deccan Plateau. Next, the coastal region. Coastal region of India is found in the peninsular region of India, two types of coast are found here. One is called eastern coast, other is called western coast. Western coast is again divided into two types, Konkan and Malawar. An extreme northern part of this western coast is called Gujarat coast. Okay, Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malawar coast. And same way, again we have found in the western side, eastern side of the peninsular region, which is known as eastern coast of India. This coast is located between Deccan Plateau and Bay of Bengal. Lots of river of Deccan Plateau is going through this western coastal region, because all the river of Deccan Plateau is flowing to the Bay of Bengal. And therefore, the coastal plain of the east coast is somewhat wider than the west coast. So you should know about the difference between east coast and west coast, which I have already told you in your last classes. Okay. Next is islands. Island. It is the fifth last physical division. Islands of India is mainly two types. One is called Andaman Nicobar Island and other is Lakshadweep. Andaman Nicobar is located in the Bay of Bengal, and it has more than 215 islands located in this group. Andaman and Nicobar is the main island over this region. Port Blair is the capital. Okay. And this Andaman Nicobar Island is originated by volcanic eruption. Therefore, origin of this island is known as volcanic island. So another island group is found in Arabian Sea, which is known as Lakshadweep, isn't it? Lakshadweep has total 25 islands. They are smaller than the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep and Minicoy is the main island of this island group. Kawarathi is the capital of Lakshadweep. It is very near from Goa and Malawar coast of Kerala. Okay. So this is all about your physical divisions. Next, the climate. Climate of India is known as tropical monsoon climate, isn't it? India is a vast country. That means India is the seventh largest country, we know it. Therefore, because of its vast area, there are lots of different types of climatic conditions found in different regions. Highest rainfall region, very lowest rainfall region, very cold snow covered area, all these are found all over India. Okay. The climatic condition of India is different because Indian climate is influenced by some important factors. What are those? They are physiography of our country, that means about landform of our country, vastness of the country, distance from the sea, difference in elevation, that is altitude, and impact of monsoon. Okay, these are some important factors which are responsible for the climate of India. And here you have to know about different seasons. Okay, there are 4 main seasons found in our country. First one is known as pre-monsoon. It is the advent of monsoon, that is starting of monsoon. Next is actual monsoon season, which is going on now. Now monsoon season is going on, and after that this monsoon season, pre-monsoon will come. Okay, and after that pre-winter will come after the monsoon, and after that pre-winter we will find winter season. So these are the main 4 seasons found in our country. They are prominent. We have seen these seasons distinctly. First one is pre-monsoon, second one is monsoon, third one is pre-winter, and fourth one is winter. So these are the different types of seasons found in our country. Okay, so here you have to know about the mechanism of monsoon. What is monsoon? What are the 2 different types of monsoon? Northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon. Why rainfall occur in the southwest monsoon? Why rainfall is not occur in the northeast monsoon? All these you have to know about it. Okay, these are very important for you. And you see, there is a region of India where rainfall occurs throughout the year. We know India is experienced only rainfall in summer season. Yes or no? In the summer season due to southwest monsoon. Okay, but in winter season there are lots of rainfall occur in a region of India. What is it? It is known as Coromandel coast of Tamil Nadu. That means both southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, in both monsoon rainfall occur over this Tamil Nadu coastal region, that is Coromandel coastal region. Okay, so this is about your climate of India. Next is about the soil of India. Indian soils are mainly divided into mountain soil, which are found in the mountainous region, soil of Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Next is desert soil, lava soil, soil of Deccan Plateau, coastal soil, etc. These are the important different types of soil found in the different regions of our country. Okay, these are very important. Mainly black soil, where it is black soil, or you can say it is lava soil. Black soil is very famous for cotton cultivation, you remember it. Next is the vegetation. Vegetation of a region is completely depend on its climate, soil, and altitude. These 3 are the main factors which are responsible for the growth of forest. Soil plays an important role, altitude plays an important role, and rainfall, temperature, all these have a very good influence for the growth of vegetation cover of a region. Okay, Indian vegetation cover is divided into different regions like evergreen forest. Evergreen forest is found in the high rainfall region. Okay, next is monsoonal vegetation. Monsoonal vegetation is also known as deciduous forest, which have highest number of forest cover found in India. It is monsoonal forest or deciduous forest, where rainfall occur seasonally or moderate rainfall occur. Okay, next is thorny vegetation. Thorny vegetation, dry thorny vegetation, these are generally found in the dry areas or over the desertic region. Next is grassland. Grassland vegetation is another important vegetation cover found in India. Those areas where rainfall occur 5 cm to 100 cm rainfall annually, those areas are very famous for grassland. Okay, some important grassland areas are found in Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, some parts of Maharashtra of Deccan Plateau, okay, in this type of regions, different types of grassland covers are found. Next is mangrove forest. Mangrove forest is found in the coastal region mainly. Mainly delta areas are very famous, such as in the delta, largest delta of the world is known as Sundarban, where is located Sundari mangrove forest. Therefore, its name is Sundarban. Okay, so mangrove forests are generally found in coastal region. Next is mountain forest. Mountain forests are found in a mountainous region, in high altitudinal region. Generally, this high mountainous region, due to high altitude, pine type of vegetation cover found in this region. But the highest point, which have more than 5,000 meter above, those areas are not found this type of vegetation cover. Only these regions are suitable for the growth of what it called there is no this type of algae type of vegetation cover are found over the top more than 5,000 meter above height areas. Okay. Next, about the population distribution of India. Do you know what is the population of India at present? According to 2011 census, the population of India, according to 2011 census, 312 crore, according to 2011 census. But this figure is not given in your book, but the figure is very important for your exam. What is the present population of India according to 2011? It is 321 crore. Okay, 321 crore population at present in our country. What are the factors responsible for the population distribution? The factors responsible for population distribution of India is mainly climate, soil character, availability of water, source of mineral resource, better transport and communication system, industrialization. All these are the main factors. Okay. Which state have highest population in India? The highest number of population is found in Uttar Pradesh, and second highest population is found in West Bengal. But highest population density found in Bihar. Highest population density found in Bihar, and lowest population density found in Uttar Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So in this part of population of India, there are lots of different types of figures which have very important for you. About the population growth, give a brief description about the population growth of India from 1901 to 2011. The question is very important for your exam. You try to write the answer. And this much is enough for your revision class, but I will not start about your agricultural regions of India and industrial regions of India. These two units will not come in your unit test. Only you have to read about the population of India. Okay. So this much is enough of your revision class. Okay. Thank you.